Hosting a webinar is an effective way to promote your products or services, collect leads, and connect with your target audience. And with Gravity Forms, you can easily create a user-friendly webinar registration form to register attendees for your online gathering. Let's take a look at how to quickly and easily build a registration form that not only signs up people for your webinar, but also collects valuable information from those attending. With the form editor open, I'll start by adding a name field and an email field. Next, I'm going to add some optional fields that will help me gather additional information about the user. First, I'll add a website field so that attendees can share their company websites. I'll next add a single-line text field that asks for the attendee's job position or title. Below this field, I'll add a drop-down field so that people can select their industry type. I'll use the Choices flyout to bulk add a list of pre-made industry choices. I'll then add a paragraph text field that attendees can use to submit any questions they have for any of the speakers during the webinar. I'm also going to include a drop-down field with a list of options to find out how people heard about my webinar. If a person selects Other, I want a single-line text field to appear that allows them to enter an answer not listed in the drop-down field. I can use conditional logic to only show this field if the attendee selects Other from the drop-down field above. I'll next add a consent field to the form to ask attendees if they'd like to stay up to date with our latest news and announcements. I've synced Gravity Forms with HubSpot using the HubSpot add-on, and I can create a feed for this form that will allow me to automatically add users to my HubSpot dashboard if they agree to the consent field. Next, I'm going to change the Submit button text to Register Today. Before I finish, I'm going to save my form and navigate to this form's settings to enable anti-spam honeypot, which will help reduce spam form entries. I've included a link in the description of this video to a webinar registration form template that you can use on your site for free. Webinars can be a great way to familiarize users with your product and collect new leads. It's also important to connect Gravity Forms with a CRM like HubSpot so you can easily manage your leads and continue promoting your webinar, ensuring a high turnout. You can check out our breakdown episode on CRMs for more information. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing to the channel for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.